Understanding the phrase, toss one's cookies. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very colorful and expressive phrase in the English language, toss one's cookies. This phrase might sound playful, but it's packed with meaning, and understanding it can add an interesting layer to your English communication skills. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it correctly. At its core, toss one's cookies is a slang expression used to describe the act of vomiting. Yes, you heard it right. Despite its humorous tone, this phrase is used to talk about something not so pleasant. It's important to understand that while the phrase is commonly understood among native speakers, it's considered informal and is best used in casual conversations or contexts. The phrase, toss one's cookies, is believed to have originated in the United States around the mid-20th century. Like many slang expressions, its exact origins are a bit murky, but it's part of a long tradition of using euphemisms to talk about bodily functions in a more palatable way. The word, cookies, here is used metaphorically, making the phrase less direct and somewhat easier to digest. No pun intended. Understanding the context in which to use toss one's cookies is crucial. It's appropriate for informal settings among friends or in light-hearted conversations. However, it's not suitable for formal contexts, like in a business meeting or an academic paper. Here's an example of how it can be used. After riding the roller coaster 5 times in a row, I was so dizzy I thought I was going to toss my cookies. This expression can add a humorous or light-hearted tone to a story about feeling nauseous or sick, but remember to use it judiciously and with the right audience. While toss one's cookies is widely understood in the US and perhaps other English-speaking countries, it's a good reminder that slang can vary greatly from one culture to another. If you're speaking with non-native English speakers or in a multicultural context, it might be worth explaining the phrase or opting for a more universally understood term to avoid confusion. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about the phrase, toss one's cookies. We hope this exploration adds a fun and expressive element to your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is not just about the formal and the straightforward. It's also about understanding the playful, the colorful, and the nuanced aspects of language. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!